Find features that distinguish it from other brands for MFR A6SIS 6.5-inch, plug-and-play TWS pairing gaming speakers, studio monitor speaker. Next, we are introduce some reasons. Because it consists of the following features. Gaming hi-fi loudspeakers. Engineered for gaming enthusiasts, the A6SIS speakers offer a gaming hi-fi sound experience with rich, dynamic audio that enhances immersion. Providing precise sound detail and impactful bass for any gaming or audio setup. Multi-patent technology. With cutting-edge technology and multiple patents applied, the A6SIS speakers incorporate innovative audio advancements, setting a new standard in sound quality for high-performance listening. Plug-and-play active stereo speaker. These active stereo speakers deliver high-fidelity sound without the need for a separate amplifier or receiver. Enjoy powerful, room-filling audio with simple plug-and-play convenience. Seamless dual connection modes. Switch effortlessly between TWS pairing and coaxial connections, with TWS pairing as the priority for flexible, hassle-free playback across different devices, ensuring you always stay connected. Enhanced bass and 365-day quality assurance. Easily adjust bass settings, normal, decrease, increase, and control power, play/pause, and volume with intuitive touch controls. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind with 365 days of dedicated after-sales support for a reliable audio experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.